El Shaddai you say ElBernard. Also for no shame come she trodden in nam Ghana on So when young kwasi asem na nkope baby and na pa adwuma me di bedu no.
All right, Abusia. Ahaya Ghana Asem TV. You best subscribe to the channel. Now I'm from my brown comment section. I'm sure Abusia. ElBernard, prophet ElBernard, allowed into a very big problem. Abusia, the camp of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Eddie, respond. Kesia be palm any warning. Pa Eddie ma. Prophet ElBernard. Abusia say Bekaya. Prophet ElBernard Eddie a conscience be Eddie Abasu echere say 31st abana NPP primaries na yakwa kotuno. Osi nipa obe winisa abaton Honorable Kennedy okumpre kwe Japan. She there's nothing that is going to change that prophecy. And no na NPPfuo bi mu any Ghana jollof se mu amune me dada o sinusu enya asem ketwa you see wo wa kan se bebre wo krom ha enya nukre chacha na ya utu chacha na utu unye prophet bia chacha na utu abusia enya asem ketwa do omude the secret upon secret abamonte sisia enya asem ketwa mman ko de ngotie dia Ghana jollof ni the camp of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia catcher ElBernard. You see, we are fake.
Fake prophet ElBernard. My name is Shasha. I am telling you that you're going to be exposed on 31st January 2026. Ghanaians will know that you're fake. Ghanaians will know that you're not from God. Ghanaians will know that you only predict. Yes, because Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is going to win. And if that happens, do not come and justify anything. Do not come and say that, oh, I didn't interpret it well. I saw it like this. I saw it like that. Please, we don't want any bullshit. Do you understand? Were you not the same person who said that in June this year, a lot of former government appointees who had their support for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia were going to declare their support for Kennedy Ejapon? Did that happen? It never happened. So you're fake. You know you're fake. But this time, we are going to expose you. We're going to let Ghanaians know who you truly are. And to NPP delegates, I'm urging all of you not to fall for any fake prophecy by this fake prophet called ElBernard. Thank you.
So could the BBC Chrome have said, well, once I come say, Memuda. Yet the Chrome Hana 2012, Obakata say NPP Berrini, and my boss say, Bobo, I'm Moncoms a Ben was say, Papa, album wa ElBernard. Yeri on a dash through one in Sakua Edani Chessy, Nisa Benkum, Aqua Dani Chessy, won't be fun in saying corner simple, Nasabisabu Jaria, what made in Sa Ronasi. A day now winning the choir yarn in Sakua, I'm with the choir some of the Bayashari and Saku. Other for Ghana jollof ena kasei. Wasi for ElBernard ye tina baby dwene ho din. E di enti na Ghana jollof asoja esi osofo iso. Osofo 2012 obehye nkom fa NPP amanyokuo ne ho. Se NPP ombe dinkunim. Omo repoto omoto omba bi dwene omo ho. Sesi asofo yi wasaba e de nkom sha kese ba se on the 31st no mo kwoto omo aba no. Chese shock beba ekuo nim. Chese eniema ebesisi ekuo nim no. Enya asam ketwa. Eno na Ghana jollof sofo e share. So onimu sa ho wo yire ena ne nsa eda no ho a wontumi nkenya no no. Nti so onimu sa de asan ho na sa o yire. So kono no mo apeteshe no na kono no mo whiskey no na etifo ani so na wo da na bonsan be so da ya. Wo si Awurade ena eyi a kire. Ghana jollof na e kasa mum ye ntie no e. Osisi osofo odi chimu a ensam e wo osofo hu a odi ba begwo media iso no wompe eda ne twaso a wontibi ntirimu wo ahunyansa yakopon a kire ose de wo betene ne nsem ama no wote wo hye nkomhyefo ne nkomhyetoro ukọ wewe wo wan no kọ broda na nya bronsam kasa kire nyame akasa kire mkwasiafo bi edidi nyame na kire sa he Ghana jollof pa kire se osofo wo bu papa onum nsa akese
Chese and sa anything and sa can see a chese atia to say or my gun and was of warrior no way no abru say asram na bon sama ba besrano so no die bonny was a quack na kokoshen kom then call for and now suffer for beble edidi eradi din ho a omun firi nyame Ghana jollof na eka say
dini ho wa wo sofo ketwa ukodi ne yere ma wo be chi wo video a video no da wo wonim se wo di agora me next episode be the video no beto ha ama nkrofo nyina ahwebi asore ma wadi di wo
say wo osofo ketwa wo na ase osofo a wo ye samasa boss e wo asore dem ho no wakwache ne yere edi ni ditro kire say ditro lomi wa boda ya se tokro tom wafo ani antokura se osofo na ne yiri nie osofo ketwa e na ne yiri nie wakwa akwa we ne fala eye den na nya sa kokuduro no e ba bonten e be hye enkomhya enim enkomhya tro de ente se so onim enkomhya hye ho sa na Ghana jollof ka
omoni wo manye nyema mamuko yiyi tugu wunim dada hye wunye ne ja enkomhya tro na wo se no na fa so bia ni we be ba so ama ko hini sansani sofo afro ho sofo wo no yire na ono ne nsa ko ada ne tweso na de bia ne nsa da ne tweso no wotimi wo ne twe no shock de bi
eni na chese Ghana jollof eni ekotie ni ba en oso osofo e so onim sasa ho ana wo se osafo ansa ne ho yale eni na Ghana jollof eno no osi so di rough osofo ketwa one ne yire ekodae sa video no abeka ne nsa chese akodi headquarters so di rough obeto agum e wo media iso enti kwanutum so onim de ye na ye ma wo a kwanutum emeka NPPfuo Asem kora biem chese Ghana jollof do aye jata blue o no de NPPfuo nim wa beka no anase wa be chese sa jata na Daniel ekoda ne nche ne kora eno ni sa Ghana jollof aye jata e de NPPfuo nim wa o de beba no o de be wo so o de be hia to osofo e so onim de ye a yesre wa ekoko ma sem biem o no am you secret engo abonten e biem so no ose so onim sa o yere ena ne nsa sabi eda ne ho no mani mpagyan no afa nkeka ne ho Ghana jollof aha de me da bia meka o se yare de ye mfa nsere wate yare de oni osofo ne na enya eni osofo ne ndili na jai na yere ne sinchen ya pa chewa eya se mema no pi sabi omumuo mu omu ya na obedi nsem hunu e wo media so ne de omo yere e fare but mesro yine ne sinchen na eni osofo yi monkwa ne boot for boot feja hye omutunu asofofo a omu hye enkomhye a emmem no feja egu omutire so emom enhyeshi wo mu.
I'm telling you again that the Lord told me, the Honorable Kennedy Ohinin A. Japan will become the flag bearer of NPP after their primaries. These are hard sayings. Who can handle it? And Bible said, from that time, many of his disciples no longer walked with him. And Jesus Christ turned and looked at the 12 and said, will you also go? And they said, to whom shall we go? And they said, we know and we are sure. There is a realm of certainty in walking with God. There is a realm of certainty in walking with God. And one of the realms is the realms of the prophetic. I'm not talking about joking and saying thou says the Lord. I'm talking about God saying and you are saying God is saying. And you are here going to fight people over what God have told me. Were you there when God told me? You were not there. So someone say he's a fake prophet. Why are you worried? Someone say he's not from God. Why are you worried? Someone say they have paid him. And why are you worried? And you are going to fight at this age, at this level of your life. The words of people affect you. The description that people give you affect you. You don't know who you are yet. Like I'm walking in town, somebody say, ElBernard, you are a girl. And I want to respond. Don't I know who I am? Someone say he's not from God, and he said I should respond. Someone say he has been paid. Were you there when they were paying me? Do you know how much they gave me? So you are not. Why are you going to fight the fight that you don't know anything about it? Everybody is speaking this truth. I'm telling you, I know that we are in a country that they don't respect men of God. That everybody can get up and say whatever. We are here. Are we not in Ghana? We are here. There are things you don't say. You leave it. So that nobody can accuse you. There are things you leave it. So nobody can accuse you. I'm telling you again. That the Lord told me. The Honorable Kennedy Ohinin A. Japan will become the flag bearer of NPP after their primaries. Do you know the threat they gave me during the 2024 election? Ask them whether I ran. You are Ghanaian, I'm a Ghanaian, who should run? They brought their gun. Ask them whether I ran. I showed them who I am, if they should try. And you are looking at insult. It's your, you see, some people need to know. Some of you, I don't know what to serve. Me, I serve God. And my name is Bernard ElBernard. The only thing you can choose is to lie against me. The only thing you can choose to do is to lie. What are the lies you say I'm not from God? Because you yourself, you are not sure who you are from. You will say, oh, he has a lot of children. It is true. You will say, he has a lot of girlfriends. You will say, he has a lot of this. And you think that those things affect me. Oh, my brother. Do you know the thing that they have told me? I have done this for 26 years. Do you know what they have told me? Do you know what they have said about me?